All of you are doing fine? Right. So in the last session, I had taught you about 4 patterns. Right? Am I right? Yes. So today we'll be studying more patterns. Let's go with it. Let's go with the 5th pattern. What does the 5th pattern see? Let's see. Let me take a good color. As okay. So what does the 5th pattern see? Product of two consecutive even or odd natural numbers. Once a minute. So it says 11 into 30 is equal to 143. So they are consecutive odd natural numbers, right? Is equal to 12 square minus 1. Also, 11 into 13 is equal to 12 minus 1 into 12 plus 1. Therefore, 11 into 13 is equal to 12 minus 1 into 12 plus 1 is equal to 12 square minus 1 into. Okay, I'll explain it to you in a simple words. Now, if you have to take two consecutive natural odd numbers like 15 and 17, right? So, what are they saying? If you have to multiply 15 into 17, it will be is equal to 16 square minus 1. Ooh, it seems amazing. So, let's see how it goes. It is nothing but the number in the middle of 15 and 17. What is it? 16. 16 square minus 1. Or we can say if this is a, if we assume a to be 15, then a plus 1 is equal to 16. Right? So it says that a plus 1 into a minus 1 is equal to a square minus 1. That means a plus 1, 15 plus 1, a plus 1 into a minus 1 is equal to a square minus 1. 15 plus 1 into 15 minus 1 is equal to 15 square minus 1. That implies 16 into 14 is equal to 15 square, 225 minus 1. That implies 16 into 14 is equal to 220. Oh, isn't it amazing? That's what it's meant. Okay. Shall I explain it with one more example? Okay. I'll go with one more example. Let's assume that your A to be which number? Any number it can be, right? So we'll take A to be a small number, let's say 5. Let's take A is equal to 5. A plus 1. A plus 1. It will be equal to 6. A minus 1. It will be equal to 4. Is equal to A square minus 1. That means 6 A plus 1 into A minus 1. So 6 into 4 equals to A square. 5 square minus 1. 24 is equal to 25 minus 1 is equal to 24 is equal to 24. So LHS equals to RHS, right? So is it true? That C, A plus 1 into A minus 1 is equal to A square minus 1. This is the formula. Same way if that 29 to 31. If they have to find what we are going to do, A is going to be what? Second number just below the predecessor of the second number 31, 30, 46, 45. So if they give us the question, to find the product of two consecutive odd or even, Let's take at a bigger number. 36 into no, 37 into 39. If you have to find 37 into 39, so what are we going to do? What is A? A will be equal to 38. Now you might be asking why. Why is it so? Because just below it I had told now. So A plus 1. A plus 1 what? What is A plus 1? 39 into A minus 1 is equal to 37 is equal to A square minus 1. A square. 38 square minus 1. That's the rule. If I had to take with 7 and 9, if I have to multiply, then what will be our A? Our A is going to be 8. At A is going to be 8. Between 7 and 9, what comes? 8. So A is equal to 8. A plus 1 is equal to 9. A minus 1 is equal to 7. So A plus 1 into A minus 1 is equal to A square minus 1. That implies A is going to be 8. 8 plus 1 is 9 into A minus 8 minus 9 7 is equal to A square. What is going to be A square? 8 square is equal to 64 minus 1. 63 is equal to 63. LHS equals to RHS. So that's the pattern. Okay, it basically goes on with this formula. Next pattern. I hope this is clear. Next thing is, consider the following pattern. 25 square is equal to 625. 25 square is equal to 625 is equal to into 300 plus 25. 35 square is equal to 12. 25 is equal to, yes, so it says like any digit, any number ending with the digit 5. If we have to take 15, right, so it's ending with 5. So it will be equal to the successor of the number, the first number. This is 1. Successor of 1 is 2. It will be the product of it. 1 into 2, hundreds plus 25. That implies 15 square is equal to 2 hundreds plus 25, 225. Same way, see, 25 square. So here it's ending with 5. 2 into 3, hundreds plus 25. 3 into 4, 100 plus 25, 225, 75. 7 into 8, 100 plus 25. How now can you find the square of 95? That's the question being asked to you. 95. 95 square is equal to 9 into 10. Successor. Hundreds plus 25. It's going to be 9 to 10 is going to be 90. Plus we are going to add 25 to it. 9,025. Square of 95. 95 square. Right? It's a very simple thing. If you have to find any big number, any whichever number you feel like, let's take a very big number. Okay, 215 square is equal to 2. This is, we have to take the first two numbers if it's going to be 3-digit number. If it's 2-digit, we'll take the first number. Just skipping the 5, the rest of the numbers will just add. 21 into 22. What's 21 into 22? It's going to be 462. 462 hundreds, that is hundreds, plus 25. Plus 25. The number which we get by multiplying with its successor, we'll just put 25 to it. We get the answer. Okay? Isn't it simple? Yes. The next pattern. The pattern shows that we can express the sum of the squares of any two consecutive numbers and their product in terms of n plus 1 square, where n is the product of two consecutive. Oh my god, a lot of big statements. But let's understand the simple way what it means. I feel that it will be a little bit confusing to you all if you just get started with patterns right now next time. Okay, so thank you. I'll be going proceeding with my topic in the next class, next session. Till then, bye. And any of the doubts, please place it in the comments. Thank you.